Okay, so this is the first episode of my new channel. I am going to be doing a food channel, and I've been watching a lot of food challenges on the YouTube. And I think something I should start out with is a 2 liter of Diet Pepsi without burping. Now, the store I went to was out of 2 liters, so I got 2 liters. And get that right in there. See, I got 2 of these. They're 1 liter each. Total of 2. Okay. I'm gonna attempt this challenge. Fair warning, this is my first time. So if I fail, don't laugh. And for every subscriber I get, I'll do a new challenge. I'll do a new challenge for every 10. How about that? Yeah, that seems fair. 10 subscribers, 1 new challenge. Post comments below for challenges that you want me to do, and I'll attempt to do it. I have my first liter right here. Fair warning, I haven't prepped for this, so give me a break. Alright, here we go. Even though I feel like it'd be better to drink this out of a cup. Oh. It's so hard to not do this. Fuck. It's like right here in my chest. I feel like the key is to breathe. Or to just hold your breath. Oh, fuck. I should have started with something easier. Alright, here we go. How do people do this? Oh. Let me unravel this so you can see how much I have gone. Oh, it's like right there. It's like I can feel it coming up, and then if it goes like. Fuck. I can't. Fuck. How do you do that challenge? Oh, shit. Dang, alright. Fuck. Well, that was insanely hard. I got through about a quarter of one of these liter bottles, or half of these one of these liter bottles. So yeah, a quarter of a 2 liter. Oh, fuck. How do you do this? I don't fucking know. I don't like. Fuck. Well, Oh, God. Ugh. This is hard. Shit. It's so much easier to down these like a burp. Chugging 2 liters, don't even sweat. I could just give me a burp or two in between. I got it. Well, fuck. This one was hard. I couldn't do it. Until the next video, I'll see you later.